The perfect formula for writing a LinkedIn headline. If you want to learn, then watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq Khan and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. In the previous videos we had learned about that what is a LinkedIn headline and what is the character limit for a LinkedIn headline. Now in this video we are moving further and we are learning about the most perfect formula to write a LinkedIn headline that is recommended by the LinkedIn experts as one of the most perfect formula to write a LinkedIn headline. Now what is that formula? This formula is called 3 T's formula, and these 3 T's are the tagline, the talent and the target. Now tagline is what? Like, what is your memorable value statement? What is your elevator pitch? Or what is your target job? For example, I can write I help professionals to grow on LinkedIn. Also, I can write that I will help to increase your LinkedIn visibility by 10x. So this is my tagline. Now the next is the talent. Like how you stand better from others. What are the excellent skills that you are offering? Now for example, I can write that LinkedIn growth consultant, LinkedIn growth coach, or like founder of a LinkedIn growth consultancy. So I can write these. So this is my talent. Now the third thing is the target. Like who needs your services? Who is your target audience? Like I help professionals to grow and win opportunities on LinkedIn. So professionals are my target. I help startups to grow on LinkedIn. I help CEOs to increase visibility on LinkedIn. So CEOs or startups are my target. Now in order to write an effective LinkedIn headline, you need to combine all these, your what, your how and your who within 120 character limit. Like you had to write it in a brief way. Now I will show you some examples of the perfect LinkedIn headlines by the LinkedIn users in the LinkedIn live environment. So we are going to the screen and you will learn and from these examples, and you will learn that what are the best practices that are being used by these experts on LinkedIn, experts from different industries that are present on LinkedIn, how they are writing the LinkedIn headline, and you can learn from them. So going to the screen. Now first of all, I'm showing you my LinkedIn headline. Like I have written my position, like my current position, along with what skills I'm offering, both the skills. I will help you to grow, how to grow and win on LinkedIn. I'm showing you the tagline, Innovation Excellence Award winner. So I'm writing each and everything about my digital brand here in a headline within 120 characters. The same is another example is of the Mayur Jadhav, and he is data analyst, LinkedIn growth marketers. His skills: I help you grow, and social media marketer. You can learn from these examples. Hamad Siddiqui is a LinkedIn expert, he's a career expert, and you can learn from him also. Just watch it how he is writing each and everything and combining each and everything, his tagline, his target, his talent within 120 character limit. And the same is this LinkedIn expert and personal branding expert. You can find that how she is writing this LinkedIn headline and how she is combining each and everything within 120 character limit to pitch her brand using her headline, to attract viewers using her headline. So that's all about the 3 T's formula, that how you can write a LinkedIn headline. Now this is all about the 3 T's formula, that how you need to combine your what, your how and your who within 120 character limit. So hope you would have liked this video. Then share it with your friends and colleagues. Also, if you had still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then do not forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform. Also follow Startavation on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. So thank you for watching and stay tuned.